have been devastating. They've devastated the infrastructure. Roads have been washed away, bridges have been washed away. To reach the people who are in great need of life support and life-saving assistance at this time, food, medical, shelter, the needs are huge. And to get there, the World Food Programme and our partners are using every means possible. We have started a helicopter airlift to people who are stranded if they do not have this means of conveyance. We're also using on-the-ground support. People are using mules, people are using carts. Whatever we can find to move food and other life support assistance, we will do so.